That's a little silly, no?
What is up, everybody? Welcome back to Valvetronic Designs and welcome to the 2009 BMW 135i. This 135i has the infamous N54 3-liter straight 6 engine by BMW, and it is an absolute powerhouse. Now, to complement all of the power that this car has with the single turbo kit, this has our 3-inch Universal Valved Muffler. Now, as you guys can see, this muffler looks quite used, and that's because this 135 has had this Universal Muffler on the car for over 2 years now and has 0 complaints. Sound is incredible, extremely durable, and it's lasted throughout all of the harsh Pennsylvania winters, and it offers dynamic flexibility for the driving experience, especially with this convertible, driving it through the summer, driving through the back roads, you know, not being overbearing on the highway either. Throughout this video, we're gonna do startups, revs, flybys, hard accelerations. We're gonna put a GoPro on the rear bumper, and we're gonna showcase to you all what is the best sound solution for the N54 platform. And what better place to show you than an airstrip? Enjoy. Alrighty, welcome to the interior of this lovely 135i convertible. So this is Anthony, the owner of this lovely 135, and he is the owner and operator of Euroworks, which is over in Downingtown, Pennsylvania. Works on a bunch of German and Bavarian vehicles. Also, if you're looking to get any parts for your BMW that are OE, you can also hit Anthony up at Bimmerzone. He's also the owner of that as well.
Sir.
But yeah, so this 135i, this is a single turbo car. So what single turbo kit's on this car?
It is the SpeedTech bottom mount turbo kit, and it's running a Pulsar 6466.
It's a big turbo.
Yes, and it's tuned by Doc Boo. Shout out Doc Boo.
So this has had our Universal Muffler on this car for what, over 2 years now, right?
2 years, yeah.
Yeah, and have you had any issues with the Universal Muffler?
Zero issues. You know, valves closed, valves open. Runs really well with the single turbo kit. There's no lag or anything. Obviously, you want the valves open if you're gonna go have fun. Yeah, that's open. You want to do close?
Yeah, doing close now?
That's
You
close.
guys gonna hear the sound change is insane on this car. So we got some buildings. You guys are gonna hear the pure 2JZ-esque sound from this N54. That's a little silly now.
Yeah, I told you. Even with the grippy tires.
Look at all the pops and bags though.
It's kind of cool letting someone else drive for once.
What's that?
I've never like sat in the passenger seat of this. This is
Feel
sick.
faster in the passenger?
Yeah, it definitely puts you in your seat.
Yeah, it's fast, dude.
Good.
Yeah, sounds good, man. Additionally, if you were to come up to the midsection of this exhaust, we also have an X-pipe. This was not put in by us, but we think it does offer a pretty cool sound. You guys will hear that throughout the video, but yeah, X-pipe. Obviously the single turbo kit up front, and then we have a little factory resonator right here that was kept. So I saw that you put that X-pipe in the midsection. What was your logic when doing that?
So I wanted to get a better sound out of the car because as most people know, M54s can sound really good or they can sound really bad. So the X-pipe, I think we achieved a really good sound. And yeah, I mean, that was really the whole reasoning behind it.
Okay.
And I think paired with the Universal, when the valves are open, it gets very close to that 2J sound that everyone adores. Yeah, this car's addicting to drive, it's fun.
Yeah. And what's funny is that I haven't even really gotten on it yet.
Nah, yeah.
It's kind of a little scary. Good thing this car does have really nice upgraded brakes too. Well, they're the factory brakes, but over any other 1 Series in the lineup, or even the E90 M3, this has way better brakes. They're what, 6-piston?
Yeah, 6-pot.
Yeah, 6-pot
Brembos.
Not bad.
Really good grippy tires.
Yeah. I can't even like get high in the RPMs because it's so fast.
Well, the thing is, it's very linear. Like Doc Boo did a great job tuning it. So I mean, if you're taking 3K, I think the boost starts building a little after 3K, like 3100, 3200, and you can literally take it all the way to 7K.
Maybe if you're on a bigger stretch of road.
Yeah. Maybe not. This is definitely not a back road car. You can still have fun, but.
Yeah. Now, what do you got for suspension? Because the car feels really good.
So, shout out to ECS. Typically, I usually run BC on all my cars, but since we're in partnership with them now, we decided to give the ECS coilovers a try, and they're actually very good. As long as you set your preload correctly, it's not an issue.
Yeah, it feels really good.
Yeah. No rubbing, nothing. It's great.
Now, do you have pops and bangs turned on this car?
So they are set to 1 second duration. I don't like the popcorn sound. I just want one loud pop and that's it.
Yep.
At nighttime you can see flames. So. car.
Yeah.
It's like, yo, is that a convertible? Yeah, that was convertible.
Dynamically.
It gets down. It gets down.
It makes some cool noises.
Yeah.
Like, especially when you let off throttle, you get some real nice, like,
Yeah, that's why I'm excited to finish the rest of the tuning this summer. So, a few more revisions left to get this thing running like a top.
run like a top.
Run like a top, baby.
And that, everybody, is the ultimate sound experience for the BMW 135i. As you guys all know, that N54 platform is super potent and it needs the sound to back up the great looks of this car as well. If you're interested in getting a universal muffler for your BMW application, please reach out to us at valvetronic.com. We have a bunch of these universal muffler, different styles that can fit any vehicle in stock, ready to go. That being said, stay tuned for our next BMW improvement project, where it's going to be something on that HFD mid-pipe that you guys have been loving for the G8X. Take care.